Would someone like to present this wall as though it is their final project in 6th grade?
No.
No.
Everyone has abandoned this prospect?
Yes, absolutely.
Cowards.
Hi, I'm Tom with a list of interesting things. Today on the list of interesting places is Griffis Sculpture Park. Created in 1966, Griffis is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. It is colossal, stretching across miles of western New York hillside, sliding in and out of the dense forest. The best part about the park is the interactivity. Nearly every sculpture is huge and durable, so many of them are designed to be climbed in and played on. On this trip, we didn't see anything close to all the park had to offer. The park features more than 250 unique sculptures for more than 100 artists, spread over more than 100 acres. My commentary will not do justice to how gorgeous this place is, so I'm going to turn it over to past Tom, Chelsea, Amy, Sean, and Zach as they explore.
Oh look, it has a cool like Winter Soldier arm.
Ooh, yes, okay. I like this. I like it. If you're riding Appa.
Casual bug surfing, you know.
Yeah, it's not that exciting. You bug surfed so many times.
Yeah, this is just like a normal Tuesday, you know.
Hold your balance with your hands in your pockets.
Oh, Orchard Park.
Look at this horrifying picture.
I can't remember.
What the hell? Oh, these things have been here for years and have been sun bleached.
Yeah. It's like somebody tried to sculpt one of those S's you drew in like high school.
This stuff.
This stuff, yeah.
I don't care much for this person. This person scares me.
He's having
What's
fun.
wrong with this guy? Look at those boots.
Look at how his legs just aren't.
Look at this wasp.
Oh yeah, that is a wasp.
Oh, I hate that. I could not hate that more if I tried.
I'm gonna go pet it.
No, I think if it was moving, I would hate it more.
That's a good point.
Tom and Mad, you missed my really great joke.
What was it?
I said, if you're an etymologist, tell us where the word mosquito came from in the comments of this video.
I love this thing.
We're picking up what she's putting down.
This looks like a marble trap.
Yeah.
It does.
So who's tanking the plank?
R.
That supports your weight pretty well. I'm surprised, like that.
I would be shocked. I would have expected that to snap completely in half and you fall in the water like a dope.
I was expecting a toddler to walk across that for it to snap. It looks like a bed for almost.
Extreme cleanup.
Yeah, hell yeah.
So this is a very interesting field.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is interesting field number 1 of like 9. There's a lot of this around this park.
A lot of things feel morbid around now.
Sure, you can get in, but can you get out?
I assume that it's possible. Yeah. But can I get out without soaking my toes?
It's not a real trip unless you get trench foot.
Yeah, fair.
I'm gonna go get in that spaceship over there. Oh, cool.
All right, we're gonna send you to the bottom of the ocean in this bad boy.
Oh god, no! I thought you were paying me on Christmas.
You know, we can fit more people up here.
I don't. That's way too
It only shakes a little bit.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel.
Absolutely
Send
not.
down your hair.
Wow, that's a great view.
Look at that view. Oh.
You beat me here, but you did not get on a mushroom.
Sit first on a mushroom. Check this out.
You just jump.
It's not that hard. I almost just headbutted Tom clean in the head.
Dunk.
Okay.
Huh. This is like everything I dreamed about as a child.
Riding spiders into battle? Yeah. Are you raised by drow?
Yes, that is a dragonfly.
This is a desert, basically. Like it rains. Actually, no, there's water here.
It's like one of those puzzles that you have to get unpuzzled.
Yeah, puzzle box.
Oh no, it's a mini Stonehenge.
That's just oodles of fun.
I don't know how it started. I don't think it was designed for this to happen. But now, just everyone who comes builds those little rock sculptures.
There's absolutely a painted rock hidden in here.
Oh yeah, somebody's definitely hidden one of those painted rocks in here.
Wait, so is the goal to eventually have all these scattered rocks be put into piles?
I don't think that there's a goal.
I think it just happened.
I think that this is an emergent property.
That's incredible.
Because the rock stacking thing didn't become popular until like the 90s. Maybe the 2000s. But this has been here since the 60s. You found a fossil?
Yeah.
Sick.
there a wrong way to climb this? I'm sure you can find one. Oh, I get what you mean.
Yeah.
This is horrifying. Yeah, you are one really strong sneeze away from death.
Hi guys.
Hello. Oh! You should come up. The weather's fine. It feels horrible. This is great because every movement is logged throughout the entire thing. Yeah. People at the bottom know when you stop. It feels almost like the floor is going to give out.
Yes.
In the most beautiful way.
I'm below you.
I think that this right here is actually my favorite spot. I really like this balcony.
That's reasonable.
Look.
It's horrible up here.
Look at this beautiful shadow.
Oh, I don't like it here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. I think if you don't think about it, it's easier.
Yeah, you're just climbing a ladder. That's all.
Yep. Yeah, I love it. This is really fun. It's fun. This is great. This is great. I feel really good. Ah, it's pretty nice. It's less scary once you're up here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna jump down.
Why?
Chelsea's just gonna stop you right there.
There's another lake.
Like your back's straight on the floor, and then you put your hip over like that, and you have your hip touch the floor on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, I think there is no name for that. I thought it was yoga. That's what you said?
Oh, it's got a nose you can move around.
So wait, read it again?
This cube is equal to the weight of the tree that once sat on this stump.
Tree stump. It once. Wow.
It's so cool that this is just out here.
Yo.
Is that not that heavy?
No, it's not that heavy.
You're kidding me.
Try to wiggle it.
Oh, that's why. That's not that bad at all.
That's not that heavy.
Looks like something would slot into this.
It's beautiful.
This is like how you design 3D printed parts that are meant to attach to each other. I don't think these are quite dovetail joints, but it's similar.
It's so pretty.
Mixed with a origami orchid.
Chelsea, will you describe to the camera what you think this statue is?
Yeah.
It does look kind of like an orchid to me.
Yeah, I see orchid vibes. The vibes of the things you used to fold up in school. Yeah, you know what I mean? I guess Oh, I have to get a better look at it. I don't. Wow. Yeah.
It's quite pretty.
Gives me tulip vibes.
This place is so large that the GoPro ran out of batteries before we had finished exploring, so I'm back to deliver a little more commentary here at the end. I hope you get a chance to check out the park. I'll leave a link below for anyone who wants to visit, and I hope you'll subscribe to stay up to date on all the most interesting things. Until next time, be like Griffis Sculpture Park. Be proud and enduring, bold and unendingly impressive, and above all, be interesting. I'll see you next time.
This is art. You're allowed to do productions on...
Jesus Christ almighty, Zach. You got that on camera, right?
No.
Oh my god.
Zach, do it again.
There are parts on the hurdy-gurdy like this.